This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator access and the device is on AC power. This prevents temporary battery policies from interfering. Once done, disable any battery saver or eco profiles so they won't override manual settings. Next, open the system power and sleep or energy saver panel immediately and keep it visible. This is where you'll change timeouts and advanced options. Make sure to note current values so you can revert if needed, and proceed directly to changing active profiles. Now dive into advanced options. Set display and sleep timeouts to never or a very long value, and turn off hybrid sleep, which can re-enable standby. Enable or disable wake timers depending on whether scheduled tasks should wake the device, and update chipset and power drivers to remove spurious sleeps. Then reboot into BIOS or UEFI and look for ECB, deep sleep, or S3/S4 settings, set to the desired state. Also inspect connected USB devices and docking stations that may assert power policies. Finish by creating a custom power plan and saving or exporting it so settings persist across updates. Make sure it's set as active. Use built-in diagnostics, PowerCog on Windows or PMSet on Mac OS, to list what last woke or put the system to sleep, and address any scheduled tasks or device drivers it reports. If standby still activates, review system event logs, update firmware, and check peripheral firmware like docking stations. One targeted firmware or driver update often resolves residual automatic sleep behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.